My name is Imtiaz Ganchi. I'm the e-commerce manager for DHL Sub-Sahara Africa, specifically the Southern Cone region, based in South Africa. I'm going to demo to you today the My DHL application on a touch screen monitor. The reason for that is because this solution is going to be deployed at our service points, where our cash walking clients would come into the service point to hand in a shipment, and they would go directly to the self-serve terminal, create their Waybill, print out the Waybill and hand over the shipment together with the cash or the credit card to the receptionist behind the counter. So the hardware that we are using, this is an HP all-in-one desktop. It has a touch screen, 23-inch touch screen monitor. There are no keyboards there and there's no mouse. The Waybills will print out on this Zebra thermal printer, which is a GX420T. The GK420T works perfectly as well. So the application is already live in many countries, which is My DHL, and web shipping is inside of My DHL. So the preferred solution is DHL web shipping. And I'm now going to continue and show you how we create our shipment on this lovely touch screen PC. The client would then need to fill in the sender information on the far left. In the middle, this is the receiver, the consignee information. I already have some consignees stored in my address book, but for the first time the client would need to capture the consignee information. We then click on next. You proceed to screen 2, and screen 2 is your shipment details. What is your packaging type? Is it a flyer? Is it your packaging? Is it a jumbo box, etc.? You select your packaging from the drop-down list. Is it 1 piece, 0.5? You can change your weights. We would ideally like to place a scale next to this touch screen PC so that the client weighs the shipment and then types in the weight of the shipment in this box on the screen. Description of contents. What am I sending? In this case, I will be sending a calendar. Is this a document or a non-document? In this case, this is a document. The reference, shipper reference, is a mandatory field. The client would then fill in the shipper reference. The value is only prompted to you if your shipment is a non-document leaving the borders of your country. This is the first screen where shipment insurance is indicated to the sender. And the last section would not be populated, as that shows the account number. The account number will be masked out and will be configured in the back end for a cash account number. Screen 3, which is the service option screen, gives you your available products to your destination. And the default is always the express worldwide. It gives you the estimated date and time of delivery, including the price. The client has the option to change their product. In this case, we see the Express 12 product is visible as well. I do not need to schedule a pickup as I am already in a service point. This is a second section where shipment insurance is again visible for the customer to select insurance. Shipment notifications, this is important, and this is an excellent feature. The customer would click on the shipper button and they would automatically get an email. And that email is a pre-alert of the Waybill number. They click on that link where the Waybill number is and they can immediately start tracking the shipment. They can even opt to send the consignee the same email by clicking receiver and then typing in the receiver's email address. I would then proceed by accepting the terms and conditions, and I have now completed all mandatory steps or fields to have my Waybill printed out for me. I would then simply click on print and my Waybills will then print out. And that is exactly how the shipment is then created. I would then peel off. I get 2 copies of my label. For every shipment there are 2 copies. The first is your archive copy and the second is your shipment copy. And we can see on the shipment copy We even have a piece ID barcode, including an auto sort barcode, as well as the Waybill barcode. A shipment receipt will print as well on an A4 printer, and all of these documentation together with the shipment is then handed over to the receptionist behind the counter. Thank you very much.